How to track your order on Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To track your orders on Amazon, you can launch a preferred browser and search for amazon.com. If you have got yourself your Amazon application, go ahead and launch it. Now over here, to track your orders on Amazon, it is pretty simple. Firstly, log in into your account. Then Now to track your orders, you can click on the person icon at the very top. From here, you will see the option Your Orders. Right at the bottom, you will find the option Track and Manage Your Order. Go ahead and click on it. In this list, you will find every order that you have placed so far. Also, it will let you know if it has been departured or it is in processing or it has been delivered. If you face any of the difficulty regarding it, you can tap on the person icon once again, then click on customer service. Over here, you can type in issue with order tracking, and then it will provide you with a response which will be helpful to you as well. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.